Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello students, now today we are going to study the problem number 3 based on periodicity of discrete time signals. Now, what is that problem number 3? Let's see. Now, the problem number 3 is check whether the given function is periodic or not, and if it is periodic, if yes, then find a fundamental period. The function is this: x of n is equals to minus of 1 raised to n. Now, here we cannot compare the value of frequency, so you are not able to get the value of k by n ratio. How to solve this question? Then just do one thing: simply substitute values of n in x of n. What result or what outcome will come, we'll see, will gives us or will tells us our idea about periodicity. So let's see whether this function is periodic or not. Now, in x of n, I have substituted a value of n from 0 to infinity. If I substitute value of n from 0 to infinity, what you can say that if I substitute 0, then anything raised to 0 is always 1. If I substitute 1 over here, then value is minus 1. If I substitute n equals to 2, then minus 1 square is always 1. If I substitute n equals to 3, then value is minus 1, and this value will continuous and will repeat values 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1 till infinity. What you can say that same value repeats after how many intervals? That is, 1 repeats after n equals to 1, or you can say this 1 is arrived at n equals to 0 and next 1 is arrived at n equals to 2. So just simply find out the difference between these two. Here we have 2, here we have 0, so total difference is 2. That is a total time period of sample. The total time period of this sample is 2. Hence, you can say that these values always repeated after 2. Means what? If we want to calculate for n equals to 4, what you will get? Minus 1 raised to 4. Minus 1 raised to 4, you can directly write this one as 1, or else you can solve this question like minus 1 raised to 2 into minus 1 raised to 2. We know that minus 1 raised to 2 and minus 1 raised to 2 is 1. So it is nothing but simply multiplication of 1 into 1. Answer is 1. So over here, what you will get? For n equals to 4, you will get value 1. So now you can say that this 1 value repeats after 2 intervals. So this is called as periodicity. If function is not able to repeat itself after a given time period, then the function is non-periodic. So here, just look at here, the value 1 repeats after each and every interval, and this interval is 2. You can say that, you can see here, this 1 repeats after 2. That is, if we add a 2 over here, result is 2. Now, here also, this 1 repeats after 2, means if we add a 2, you will get 4. So at n equals to 4, this value is repeated. Similarly, look at here, at minus 1 also, this value repeats after n equals to 2, that is 1 plus 2 is 3. So this value minus 1 repeated at 3. So you can say that this graph repeats itself after sample value 2. So you can say that this graph is, that is x of n is periodic signal. This is the different way to calculate periodicity or not. In this type of questions, the sign, cos is not mentioned. So there are different ways to solve this type of question. This is the one of the different question which is not having a sine and cos value. So we'll solve the next numericals in next videos. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda. Thank you so much.